Will cook. Is this combination correct? Yes. It helps us talk about future simple. I can say, I will cook dinner tomorrow. I will cook dinner tomorrow. Cooked. Is this correct? Yes, we can use this word to talk about past simple. We can say, I cooked dinner yesterday. I cooked dinner yesterday. I cooked dinner yesterday. Will cooked. Is this combination okay? No, this is incorrect. Why? Because you cannot put will and cooked together. Do not put the future and the past together. Do not use this. Will be cooked. Is this combination okay? Yes. But you are going to ask, how come we have will for the future and we have ed for the past? Well, it is not the past. Why? Because it goes in the combination with be. It becomes passive voice. This part expresses passive voice and will expresses the future. So this is future passive voice. What does future passive voice mean? It means that it is not important who did the action. We can say the dinner will be cooked. The dinner will be cooked. The dinner will be cooked. Do we know who cooked the dinner? Maybe you cooked the dinner. Maybe somebody else cooked the dinner. It's not important. That's why we use passive construction. It's called passive voice. In the future, the dinner will be cooked. We can say tomorrow. Because it's future, right? We're talking about the future. The dinner will be cooked tomorrow. Is cook. Is this combination okay? No. Why? We cannot put a basic verb cook with is. We can say is cooking. We can add ing. Or we can use ed. Is cooked for passive construction. This is for passive. This is for present continuous. But the combination is cook is incorrect. You need to fix something. Do not use is cook. Is cooked okay? Yes, this combination is okay. Why? It shows us passive voice. It is not will be for the future. It is for present. We can say passive voice in the present. It's a passive voice construction. Remember, is it important who performed the action? No, we don't care who did it. We can say it, but we don't care. We care more about the dinner. So we can say the dinner is cooked. The dinner is cooked. We can say by me, by my mom, by the chef, but really the focus is on the dinner. Let's read these sentences one more time. I will cook dinner tomorrow. I cooked dinner yesterday. The dinner will be cooked tomorrow. The dinner is cooked. More practice? Let's have some more practice. Will finish. Is this combination okay? Yes, we can use this combination to talk about future simple. We can say, Bob will finish this job soon. Bob will finish this job soon. Finished. Is this okay? Yes, we can use this form to talk about simple past. We can say Mike finished this job yesterday. This job yesterday. Mike finished this job yesterday. Will finished. Is this combination okay? No. Why? We cannot use will and finished, past and future. This is incorrect. Don't use it. Will be finished. Is this combination okay? Yes. We can use it for future passive voice. But you're going to say, how come here finished and here finished with will? How come this one is okay and this one is not okay? Well, we have be right here. And this combination is not for past simple. This combination is to express passive voice. Remember, when we use passive voice, it is not important who performed the action. So we can say this job will be finished, and we can say soon, because we're talking about the future, right? We have will be finished soon. Is it important whether it was Mike, it was Bob, or maybe somebody else? No. What's important is the fact that the job will be finished. This job will be finished soon. Are finish, is this okay? No, we cannot have the basic form with are, which is another form of the verb be. We can say are finishing, so add ing, or we can say are finished to show the passive construction that something is finished, that something is completed. But the whole combination are finished is incorrect. Do not use this together. Now take a look at this one. Are finished. We added ed. Is this correct? Absolutely. Why? Well, the combination of the form of the verb to be, which is are, plus finished with ed, that is called past participle, that's passive voice. This is called passive voice. We can say these tasks, because it's plural, right? So we're going to say these, plural for this. It's not task, one task, it's going to be tasks, right? These tasks are finished. Tasks like assignments, like jobs, right? We can say these tasks are finished. Let's read the sentences one more time. Future simple. Bob will finish this job soon. Simple past. Mike finished this job yesterday. Future passive voice. This job will be finished soon. Passive voice in the present. These tasks are finished. More practice? Let's have some more practice. Will invite. Is this combination okay? Yes. We have a basic verb invite and we have will, so we can talk about the future. This form is good for future simple. We can say, I will invite you to the party. I will invite you to the party. Invited. Is this form okay? Yes, we can use this verb to talk about past simple. We can say they invited me to the party. They invited me to the party. Will invited. Is this okay? We have an ed ending and we have will to express the future. Past and future are not okay together. Do not use this form. It's incorrect. Will be invited. Is this okay? Yes. Well, how come? We have will here, we have will here. That's for the future. Invited and invited here. But don't forget, what's in the middle? The verb to be. What does it identify? Passive voice. Remember, the passive voice tells us that it is not important who performed the action. Who did the action? Who completed the action? Is it important? No. Not important. What's important? That the action was completed. So we can say, they will be invited to the party. Or we can just stop right there. They will be invited. If we're talking about the concert, we can say they will be invited to the concert. If we're talking about the movie, we can say they will be invited to the movie. Is it important who invited them? No. Is invite. Is this combination good? No. Why not? Invite is a basic verb. We have to either add ing to make it present progressive, is inviting. She is inviting me. Bob is inviting Mike. Or use ed. Well, since we already have e here, so we just can add d for the passive voice. But is invite, this combination is incorrect. Do not use this combination. Is invited. Is this combination good? Yes. Remember, one of the forms of the verb to be is right here, plus the past participle. We call this form a past participle in this combination, are used for the passive voice. Passive voice. We can say, Mike is invited to the party. Mike is invited to the party. Was invited. Is this combination good? Yes. Was is a form of the verb to be. And again, we have invited, which is past participle because of the ed ending right here. This is correct. And again, this is a passive voice. But this time, was tells us that it was in the past. So we can say, Bob was invited to. Bob was invited to. Let's read the sentences together. Future simple. I will invite you to the party. Past simple. They invited me to the party. Future passive voice. They will be invited. Passive voice in the present. Mike is invited to the party. Passive voice in the past. Bob was invited to. That's all for now. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.